Hi guys, welcome again to another video. Karibu sana. Yeah, in today's video, it's a day in my life. Yeah, I'm going to prepare breakfast. I'm going to do laundry, and I'm also going to clean some dishes. Yeah, so that's all about today's video. Kindly stick to the end, and remember to leave a comment after watching. Subscribe if you haven't, like and share this video out if you can. Yeah, in case it's your first time here, my name is Wilkisa. Thank you so much for coming, guys. Yeah, in this channel, we do homemaking videos, cooking videos, and method videos. Yeah, that's all about this channel.
I'm not a saint, you mad? Your sugar-coated doll is not so pure, my bad. I don't give a. You stepping on me and they call my mama, touch you better than that. You're mad, I guess you're mad. Wore my best pajama for this drama. Why you talking like that, like that, like that? I'm not gonna spend the night, I'm talking. You got bad things on your mind, keep walking. Spit your words on someone else, don't act like you're so obsessed with me.
Guys, let's start our today's video. Yeah, I'm going to prepare breakfast, and for the breakfast I'm going to prepare pancakes and smokies. Yeah, that's all, and that's what we're going to have for breakfast. Yeah guys, please remember to like this video so that YouTube can recommend to many more people.
I tries my best, confess. You hate me wearing the pants. If you weren't so damn obsessed with making me your perfect lie. Makeup is out, naturals in, letting my skin glow out. You're taking shit if you don't like this. You still live in your man's world. I'm not gonna spend the night, I'm talking. You got bad things on your mind, keep walking. Spit your words on someone else, don't act like you're so obsessed with me, with me. You know that I ain't coming back, I'm sorry. Read my lips, you do not like that, you're drowning without me. Take it all back, but if you want my sympathy, honey, well come as a bitch, get ready for this. You know that I ain't coming back, I'm sorry. Read my lips, you do not like that, you're drowning without me. Take it all back, but if you want my sympathy, honey, well come as a bitch, get ready for this. Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place.
Guys, how is 2025 taking you? Yeah, in my opinion, I think 2025 is going to be a good year. Yeah, that's my opinion, and you can let me know what do you think about 2025 in the comment section down below. Yeah, for me, I think 2025 is not going to be like 2024. Yeah, but let me hear from you guys.
Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be a summer story where dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place.
Guys, your breakfast is ready as you can see, looking yummy and so delicious. Yeah, tulikuwa na maembe tukasema why not, let me go with maembe. Yeah, and after breakfast guys, I'm going to do laundry and I'm going to hand wash. Yeah, sio nguo mingi, ni nguo tu kidogo and yeah, that's what I'm going to do guys. And for my returnee, thank you so much for always coming back to support my channel. Yeah guys, in YouTube it's all about supporting one another.
Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my head. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Your fingers tell me so. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my. Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone. Cause you never show. You say you will, but then you
Guys, I don't know if it's only me. Yeah, but whenever I'm hand washing, brush ndio ifanye kazi. Yeah, I'm used to like nitumie brush kusugua shirt, socks. Yeah, if you are such a kind of a person, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Yeah, because one thing I know, tuko wengi.
happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone. Cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. Let's let go. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy. Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing. And suddenly
after the cleaning lazima tu ninge recharge, and I'm going to have these rice, broccolis and cabbage. Yeah, that's what I'm going to have. Yeah, after this, guys, I'm going to do some dishes, and I think that will be the end of today's video. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. If at all you are still watching, yeah, so let's watch until the end.
When I start to sing and suddenly it feels like heaven is not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? And before too long, I found where I belong. I can hear it, oh, I can't stop the rush. Every note I touch, I can feel it saving me. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? I can't help but think that it's meant to be, that I'm finally right where I'm supposed to. If I let you into the secret, would you listen? I can hear